Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inserting the picture into your document. Use Insert Image or simply drag and drop to place it where you want. Once selected, handles appear and a contextual toolbar or format pane opens. This gives resize, crop, and wrap controls. You should set whether the image is inline or wrapped first, because layout affects later adjustments. Make sure the image is roughly sized to the space. Then move immediately into cropping and alignment, so edits behave predictably as you continue. Once the picture is placed, crop to remove distractions and focus on the subject. Open the crop tool and drag edges or pick an aspect ratio like 16:9. After cropping, resize using corner handles to maintain proportions, and use the format pane to tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation so colors match the document. You can also apply subtle filters for consistency. As you tweak, toggle layout settings to ensure text wraps neatly, and the image doesn't shift unexpectedly during edits. Finish by aligning the image precisely. Use guides, snap to grid, or align commands so elements line up across the page. Once placed, lock the aspect ratio and anchor the image to a paragraph or page section to prevent accidental moves when editing text. If file size or printing matters, compress or export the image at the desired resolution. If something goes wrong, image missing or distorted, undo, reinsert the original file, then reapply only the necessary adjustments to avoid cumulative quality loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.